of youth suffrage is something to be encouraged. Youths of yesterday's experience created today's youths who will not be silenced. Youths is the fruits of hard labor. Youths is the majority and great burden bearer. Youths is the vanguard of change. Inequity, youths will have to rearrange. For anti-imperialist solidarity, peace and friendship, por la solidaridad, anti-imperialista la paz y la amistad. Recommendations youths are proposing. International injustice youths are opposing. Youths are shedding themselves of imperialist mentality. They are the advocates in today's society. Youths all over the world are showing solidarity. Youths want genuine change, not charity. Now youths are advancing for redevelopment. The struggle continues on every continent. For anti-imperialist solidarity, peace and friendship, por la solidaridad, anti-imperialista la paz y la amistad. As a force is a natural resource, determined to follow a self-reliant course, in search of justice and truth. Join me in saying hail to the 11th Festival of Youth. For anti-imperialist solidarity, peace and friendship, for la solidaridad, anti-imperialist la paz y la amistad.